Beautiful life.
Before the Anthony Gormley monument statue was put there, there was a monument to Sir Francis Chichester, which also got washed out into the sea many years before. So I just hope Book 2 stands the pressures of time. In the early hours of the morning, the tide was, the surf was coming all over the seawalls here. In a minute you'll see all the debris that's been washed into the sea. They didn't take out the cafe there. Don't forget to subscribe and look into Love Sometime TV magazine worldwide. Been going for 30 years with videos that are uploaded to videos or YouTube when it came online. It's a lifestyle thing, unless you're worth it, of course. Love Summertime TV worldwide. You can contact us at ccsPhoto1@gmail.com. Don't forget to friend and share the video.